Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my.
Hello and welcome back. This is Rochelle from the DIY Affiliate on YouTube and the Secret YouTuber on TikTok. Have you been looking for the easiest, fastest, and most cost-efficient way to mine Bitcoin today? Have you heard about the CryptoTab Browser for your PC, cell, or tablet? Do you want to learn how to mine Bitcoin and also build a business? Are you sitting on the fence about using the CryptoTab browser with the mining capabilities compared to any other browser out there? Here is your chance to hop on the bandwagon and stop putting out money with no return. Put your computer or any other device to work today. In this video, I will show you how to start right with a promotion that is on until the end of this year, where you will get paid 3 times profit on all levels of your referral network. Sounds great, right? If you know absolutely nothing about the CryptoTab browser or any of the other apps associated with it, then there is a playlist located to your top right in which you can watch to catch up with where I am here on this video. Just pause this video, bring yourself up to date, and turn the video back on. For the rest of you already a CryptoTab affiliate, let's take a closer look at what you'll get. First level referrals will bring you a hefty commission of 45% from the mining profit. People invited by them will add the solid 30% instead of 10%. The third level referrals will increase your earnings with 15% instead of 5%, and so on and so forth up to the 10th referral level. I give you just the facts. Let's jump into the video.
Okay, so this is exciting. Don't miss this chance. Amp up your mining income till December 31st. Seize the triple referral profit with our freshest offer. Okay, so they did have a ×2 referral profit promotion, but it came to an end, and there were many people that did take advantage of it. So now they are offering a 3 times profit on all levels of your referral network. Let's have a closer look at what you'll get. Your first level referrals will bring you a hefty commission of 45% from their mining profit. People invited by them will add the solid 30% instead of 10%. The third level referrals will increase your earnings with 15% instead of 5%, and so on and so forth up to the 10th referral level. Wondering how it's done? Just share your personal link through social media accounts, messengers, or the mail. Encourage your friends and subscribers to download and use the CryptoTab browser. All those who joined via your personal link until the end of December will widely contribute to your overall referral earnings. So enjoy the 3 times more profitable offer and have a prosperous end of the year to the offer. In order to join this offer, here is the terms that you must accept. Please remember, we won't tolerate cheaters. By accepting our special offer, you agree not to spoof new account registrations or falsify browser settings in any way. If fraud is detected, cheating accounts will be immediately blocked. Just choose accept and join. Now you can get triple for your referral profit. If you have just installed the CryptoTab, you haven't become an affiliate yet, you can watch my videos that I created about the CryptoTab Affiliate Center and how to use the ready-made promos and also the Sassy Social Share, and also how to post to your WordPress website. When you become an affiliate, you can take advantage of this promotion. You will get triple earnings on all levels of your mining network. Here is your personal link, and this is your mining network, and it goes down 10 levels deep. You will notice level 1 to level 10, and with the promotion it's 3 times the percentage. Until the end of December, get 45% of the profit from your referrals mining. This is 3 times more than usual. People invited by your referrals will bring you a commission of 30% instead of 15%, and so on and so forth, up to the 10th level. You can share your personal link. This is your personal link right here. So you want to copy that and save it just by choosing the copy and then save. Here you can automatically share to your Facebook, to your Twitter, to your to any of these social media icons, and you can watch the video that is located at the top right of this video. Just click into the thumbnail. You can also use the ready-made promo materials, and I have also created videos in which you can watch located on the top right. Just click into the thumbnail. For promo text for messages, banners in different sizes, images and videos for posts, landing pages for your link. Where do you look for referrals? Your social networks. Among your friends and subscribers and followers, there are surely those who want to make some extra money just by using the browser. Why not tell them about the CryptoTab Browser? Share the post on Facebook, Reddit, LinkedIn, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest, and other networks. You can also publish a promo post on your page in various groups and communities, or send personal messages to your target audience. You can also use messengers such as WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, or Line. And other messengers can also bring a significant profit, since people tend to be more likely to respond to messages addressed to them personally. Using Messenger can be even better than the social media posts. Send out a short message explaining why CryptoTab mining is beneficial for you and how it works. Don't try to sound too serious or formal. Instead, use simple words and a confidential tone. This may turn out to be more convincing if you're not sure of your writing skills or simply don't have time. Take advantage of the ready-made texts. You can also use your email. Email is a great promotion channel that shouldn't be ignored. First, everyone has an email. Plus, a letter can be more appealing and suitable format to convey something that won't fit in a short message or a post. You can also attach your logos, banners, or other CryptoTab promo materials. This will make your letters more professional looking and compelling. You can also use your own personal website. And if you look to the top right, you will see the video that I created for you to be able to use all of the different ready-made promo materials with your WordPress website. You could even try buying traffic from global advertising platforms such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, AdCash, Propeller's Ad, Adsterna, and many more. But you also must remember, it is important, any kind of promotion of the CryptoTab browser through spam or blogs and forums of any kind of unauthorized distribution of the browser is strictly prohibited. So the more boosts your referrals have, the more profit you get. The affiliate program works simply. You invite as many new users as you can, and we pay you an extra profit, depending on their mining with the CryptoTab browser. Just imagine if your referrals will use additional cloud boost multipliers to mine 2 times, 15 times, 100 times faster. That's it. The faster they mine, the more profit they get, and so do you. And here is an example with the cloud boosts. And I have a very short version of the cloud boost. Follow along with me while I show you how you can get 15 times faster mining on the same hardware. All you have to do is activate your Cloud Boost feature to speed up your mining, and you can go 15 times faster while you use your browser. This is how you save money. You can save $227.88 US. That's 53% if you pay for the whole year. You can save 36% if you pay for 6 months. You can save 20% if you pay for 3 months. The best choice, if you are going with the basic or the light or even the pro, or if you want to go all out and get the ultra, you can save $46.33 US for 3 months. You can save $329.94 US for 6 months. And you can save $659.88 for the whole year. Hurry up, this offer won't last long. Triple referral rates will be available till the end of December 2021, so you better hurry up and invite as many new referrals as possible until the special offer ends. And here is the countdown. Always try to stay up to date with all of the tips and news. There's always something new coming out for you to take advantage of.
Thank you for watching this video and supporting my channel. If you have found this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would like to personally invite you to the DIY affiliate mining team with the CryptoTab browser, not just to the end of this month or the end of this year, but until the last Bitcoin is mined. This is the easiest, fastest, and most cost-efficient way I have found how to put any computer or device to work and start to create a passive income either for your retirement or just for your life now. Stay safe and have a wonderful evening. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.